Okay everyone, so in this video, I just want to show you how we can go and try to work on setting up the player. If we try to play this, you would notice that the player switching from left to right is not on the middle. As you can see, there's a large difference between the middle and the position of the player switching. So we can work with this by means of trying to target the sprite renderer. So we have the parent object, and I have here the player idle from where we have the sprite renderer. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go to the scene here. And what I'll be doing is to adjust, if this is my player, and this is my player idle with the sprite renderer, what I would want to do is to adjust this position to the center side here. So if I'm going to adjust this a little bit, let's say I would want to move it here, what will happen? That's not yet too close. Let's adjust that again, and just going to adjust this a little bit at the bottom here, and I'm just going to adjust this a little bit to the center side, and you would see here that if we try to go and play this now, let's see how that will look. You would see now the switching of the player is much better than the last time that we had worked there. So the idea is to have a parent object, and then we remove the sprite renderer from the parent object and we place it inside of the child object from where we will be playing our animation. So in this case, we have the player idle object from where we are playing the idle animation at the start of the game.